Yo, we're back again. Now listen, flavour chasers, got a sick one. It's when Italy meets Greece. We've got a halloumi, tomato, olive oil, and basil, bruschetta, right? I'm just gonna tease a little something, yeah? Merch on its way, got a little apron, just gonna tease you with it. But yo, big up everyone that watched the McDonald's hash brown episode. You lot are sick. We're on like 17,000 views. When I get to 250 subscribers, I'm probably gonna do a live or a cook off with one of my brethrens or something. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Flavor Station.
Right then, where we at? We got the diced green pepper, basil and parsley. We got some heritage tomatoes, sliced halfway, quarter way, anywhere you damn well please. Got some diced onion, some halloumi, and ciabatta bread, and some garlic, and the Filippo Berrio olive oil. This is the bad boy. Costs like wine, you know. Sweet. Move that shit to the side. That stuff to the side, sorry. Pardon me. Yes. Now, slice your ciabatta. Now you've got the thicker part and the thinner part, so slice it like 2/3 one way like that. And the other way, yes man. There we go. Now grab your garlic, crush it, release that juice. You don't know, rub it on, rubber dubber scrubber. All them little holes will grab all the little bits of juice and that. Trust me, it's lovely. Now your Filippo Berrio, liberal. Not liberal, what's the opposite of liberal? Nuff. There. Rub that in, give it a little massage. Sensual, yeah? Yeah, man, rub your garlic again, why not? Now, wipe your bogs, you ain't no tramp, innit? No high-risk food on here, so it's minor. Now, grab your halloumi. Now, this is a medium-fat, hard cheese from Greece. And it's sick for grilling and deep frying and all them good thing there. You want to slice it about, I'd say 5mm thick. I don't know, just you don't want it too thin because it just melts and disintegrates to nothing. Now dash that way. Grab your bowl, the bunny bowl. Yeah, grab your tomatoes, bang them in there. Peppers, bang them in there. Your onion, careful, you don't want heartburn. Little bit of that, yeah, about half of that. Yeah, now dice your herbs, but you don't want them too small. You want to feel that little crunch. You want to get that fragrance when you bite into your salad, you know. Bang that in there too. Now the Filippo. Put that in there, a lot of that. This is why Italians live long, you know. Pinch of salt. Now, high heat, dry pan. Mix that while your pan heats up. That's why Italians live long, you know. Fresh food with olive oil and them thing there. Now, your bread, press that down. Now you need to check it's going to go from hard to soft. If you get my drift. Now this is toasting it. That not ready yet. And that not ready yet. Sugging a bombo. Now see how it's going soft? Yeah, flip that. That's ready. See how that's softer now? But this is the thicker piece. You want to press that down. Now flip that. Oh, golden brown. Texture like sun. Same pan. Olive oil. Boom, bam. Yeah, bare oil. But it's extra virgin olive oil. That'll cost you like £8-9 a bottle. Put your halloumi in there. Smoking hot pan. Look at that. Smoking hot. Do not fear. If you can't use your hands, use tongs. Or a fork. I'll use a fork. Flip that. This is the last thing you want to do. This is the very last thing you want to do. Because you want your cheese nice and warm, you know. You don't want it cold and chewy. You want it like gooey and crispy. Now your ciabatta now. You mix. Look at that. Look at the colours, man. Come on. Trust me, the Greeks and Italians, them man, they live long, blood. They got that flavour, that freshness. If the sun's out, bring the guns out. This is the guns, you know. Yes, man, it's a lovely little lunch. Spoon that on there. Put that there. I don't know where I go on. Now, this is just a little thing I made up, man. Some balsamic vinegar, herbs and olive oil. Just drizzle that over. You can use balsamic. Now, the halloumi. Oh, don't mess about. Layer that on there. Just slot that in. Yes, the jigsaw puzzle. Nice. And there you, oh my days. I'm salivating, you know. And there you have it. When Italy meets Greece, baby. Tomato and halloumi bruschetta. Jeez. Thanks for watching. I hope quarantine and lockdown and wherever you are in the world, you're staying safe. Like, big up myself on the homemade skin fade. It's dead. Look at the it's dead. Look at that. Anyway, yo, I'm gonna try and get better videos out. I had some technical difficulties, but I'm back and I'm editing and I'm cooking, and yeah. Peace out, flavor chasers. You're done now. Back.
Flavor Station.